Hi everyone, my name is Richard Foster. I'm from Benchmark Education Solutions. We'd like to talk to you today about the new proposed OET at Home service. Now, some of you may already be aware of this, but for those of you who haven't heard of it, we'd like to consider some of the frequently asked questions that surround this new service. But first, we're going to consider the question, what is OET at Home? Take a look at this. Let's take a look at this flowchart that illustrates the planned evolution of the OET testing process. As you're aware, currently, if you want to take an OET exam, you should equip yourself and prepare as thoroughly as possible. And once ready, you go into a test centre where you will take a paper-based test. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, OET are introducing an alternative test where candidates can opt for a computerized version of the test so that in future you'll be able to take your tests on computer. The next evolution of that is to take that test at home, and they're calling that the OET at Home test. Eventually, once that's live, you'll need a Windows PC, a webcam, a microphone, a strong and stable internet connection, and a quiet and secure environment. OET are also allowing you to go into their test centre still, where you can take the OET computer-based test at the test centre. To be clear, the process of OET on computer, including the OET at Home and the OET computer-based test at the test centre, are all currently going through trials. You can still go into a test centre and take the paper-based test. Eventually, once the OET on computer facility is ready, including the OET at Home test service as well, you will still be able to take the paper-based test. OET are not getting rid of that. What about those frequently asked questions? Let's consider 6 of the most popular. 1. Do I have to take the test on a computer? No, you do not have to take the test on a computer. OET will be running both paper-based and computer-based testing, so you can still take the test on paper if you prefer. Will OET stop paper-based testing? No. OET will continue to run the paper-based test at their test venues as normal. In addition, they plan on launching both a computer-based test that candidates can sit at test venues and OET at Home, a remote proctored test that candidates can sit at home using their own Windows PC. How will the computer-based test be different to the paper-based test? The only difference is that you will take the test on a Windows PC. The test tasks, format and timings will remain the same as with the paper-based OET. The speaking subtest will continue to take place with a live interlocutor, but in the case of OET at Home, this will be via video conferencing software rather than face-to-face. How will the speaking test work? The speaking subtest will still be 2 role plays with a live interlocutor. The only difference is with OET at Home, where the live interlocutor will role play with you via video conference. I don't have very good computer or keyboard skills. Will this affect my results? The focus is on testing your English language skills, not your computer skills. However, if you're not familiar with using a computer or type very slowly, it may affect your performance and results. We suggest that you try a sample test in both paper and computer formats to see which one works best for you. You can then decide whether to book a paper-based or a computer-based test. How can I book my test? You will be able to book your test online. OET will let you know as soon as the computer-based test and OET at Home are open for bookings, along with any specific instructions on how to do so. Please note, however, that it is likely that OET will prioritize those candidates whose paper-based test has been deferred due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thanks for watching. We hope that makes a little bit more sense to you about the new proposed OET at Home service. However, if you need more information about it, or indeed you'd like our help in passing the OET exams, please click on the link below.